You're a mom, a businesswoman, and even an athlete, but above all, your number one priority is your baby. And to help keep that balance, Ibaby Labs gives you a solution. More than a baby monitor, the Ibaby Carom 7 is a total baby care system. It is fully engineered with smart features guaranteed to promote early childhood education and improve listening, vision, speaking, movement, and breathing skills. The M7 encourages early development with a built-in Moonlight Soother and a large amount of audible content that includes music, lullabies, white noises, and bedtime stories. As a parent, there's no greater feeling than knowing your baby is safe. And with our smart alerts and sensors, you get the peace of mind you deserve. The Ibaby Carom 7 is also integrated with sensors that ensure that the room air quality is safe for you and your family. You will receive temperature, humidity, and TVOC alerts if the air quality is deemed unsafe. Keeping in touch with your family is easier than ever before, even if you're missing your little one from the office. With our HD video and two-way audio speakers, you can check in on your family with the free Ibaby Care app. And best of all, the M7 comes integrated with innovative diaper and feeding alerts that will notify you when it's time for a feeding or a diaper change. Bedtime and nap time can be a hectic time for new and experienced parents, but our integrated Moonlight Soother and large variety of audible content is helping stimulate your baby's visual development and help your little one fall asleep faster. The Ibaby Carom 7 features new content that includes bedtime stories, lullabies, white noises, and a built-in Moonlight Soother that will help lull your baby to sleep. The Ibaby Carom 7 is integrated with a brand new help button to help control the Moonlight feature if you don't have your mobile device around. And, as an added bonus, pressing the help button can call the mobile device connected to the Ibaby monitor. This will give you a lending hand if your baby tends to hide your phone. The features integrated in the Ibaby Carom 7 are completely revolutionizing the parenting world. To experience the new Ibaby Carom 7, get yours today at ibabylabs.com.